What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Today, guys, we have Act 2 hot and spicy popcorn. That's right, man. We got the hot and spicy popcorn from Act 2. Picked this up at Walmart. Yeah, man. Hot and spicy popcorn. So, let's get into a little bit of this Act 2, man. I already took it out the microwave, so let's see. Let's see what we got. That's a whole bunch of, like, look at that. Look at that bag, man. That's a red bag, man. It's like they put a whole bunch of hot Cheeto dust on these things, man. Let me get some out real quick. Get a couple of these out real quick. Show y'all what they look like. That's what they look like. Act 2 hot and spicy popcorn. This is what you should be looking at. This is what your bag should be looking like. But let's go ahead and try these, man. Act 2 hot and spicy popcorn. Let's try it. Got a little kick to it. Got a little heat. Nothing too crazy. They're good. Definitely good, though. It's definitely good. Got a decent amount of spices to it. I feel like the more you eat, the more spicy it get. Or the more you kind of feel the spices creeping up on you. But it's not bad. It's not overpowering heat, you know, but it's good though. It's really good, definitely. All right there. I probably give this a solid 9 out of 10, man. I'm a fan of spices, like hot stuff, heat, different types of things like that. And popcorn and heat go pretty good together. Not bad at all. It's really good. Better than the flaming hot Cheetos popcorn, in my personal opinion. I think this is just more fresher. It's fresh out the microwave, so. That's my score. Anyway, man, make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe. Keep watching videos. More food reviews on the way. More videos on the way. Comment, like, and subscribe. Keep watching videos. Next time, guys. Peace.